keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía esté en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
What is it?
Ladies and gentlemen, our tram is now ready for its departure. And driver, you are clear.
I know it's
We invite you to download the free Disneyland app. With this app, you'll have Disneyland resort information right at your fingertips, including park maps, show and attraction times, and so much more. You'll be able to purchase park tickets instantly on your smartphone or mobile device, and then proceed directly to the main entrance gate. Now, for your enjoyment, ladies and gentlemen, up ahead on the driver's right-hand side, you'll see Mickey, you'll see Minnie, and you'll see Donald in their Halloween costumes on the driver's right.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, now up ahead on the driver's left-hand side, you'll see Pluto, you'll see Goofy, and some friendly ghosts. Driver, you are clear.
We're now en route to the Disneyland Resort main entrance plaza, gateway to Disneyland Park, Disney California Adventure Park, and the downtown Disney District. If you are here just for the day, our one-day park hopper ticket offers same-day admission to both Disneyland and Disney California Adventure. If you have more time to spend, multi-day tickets and annual passes are an especially good value. Before entering the parks, we'd like to remind you that smoking is not permitted except in designated areas. If you have brought your own food and beverages, please use the picnic area located just to the left of the Disneyland main entrance. If you plan to leave the park and return later today, please keep your ticket and have your hand stamped as you exit.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Disneyland Resort. For your enjoyment tonight, Disneyland Park will remain open till 6 p.m. due to the Halloween party. Disney California Adventure Park will remain open till 8 p.m. We wish you a magical visit here at the Disneyland Resort.
Look at Mom. So, Disneyland that thing. So that is 2 hours over California Adventure.
Just ahead is the downtown Disney District with exciting shopping, dining, and live entertainment. Just beyond it is Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa, inspired by the famed arts and crafts movement in California. We are now approaching the main entrance plaza. At the end of your visit, please return here to take the Mickey and Friends tram back to the parking area. The trams will continue running until 1 hour after the latest park closing time. Please stay seated with the doors closed until the tram comes to a full stop. Then gather your belongings, watch your step, and exit to the driver's right. Thanks for traveling with us today, and we hope you have a happy and memorable visit to the Disneyland Resort.
Ladies and gentlemen, this will be our tram stop. Please remain seated till we come to that full and completed stop. Now, once the tram does stop, you'll be exiting to the driver's right. That will be the driver's right-hand side only. This will be the same tram stop you'll come to when you need to go back to the Mickey and Friends parking structure, Pinocchio parking area. Please start gathering your belongings. Make sure you look up before you stand up. Mind your head on our very low ceiling. Remember, you're going to exit to the driver's right towards the sidewalk at downtown Disney. Remain seated till we stop completely.